All accused of Hyderabad Disha rape and murder case killed in police encounter in Shatnagar near Hyderabad in the early hours today. And unknown miscreants explode low-intensity IED at Vishal Mega Mart in Chingmerong under Lumphill Police Station this morning. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Afternoon News. I'm Laithima Monica with the latest news updates. All four accused in Disha rape and murder case were killed in an encounter that took place at Chatanpally in Shatnagar near Hyderabad in the early hours today. Hyderabad Police Commissioner V.C. Sajnagar confirmed the encounter and death of the four accused. According to initial reports, the police were trying to reconstruct the crime scene when the accused tried to escape. Police opened fired after due warnings and all four died on the spot. Congratulatory messages are pouring in on the police and the Telangana government for the encounter over the justice done to the veterinary doctor. Social media too erupts into jubilation. A few political leaders and other handles, however, questioned the manner in which the killings happened. They felt that a due course of law should have taken place. Centre has reportedly asked the Telangana government to submit a report of the custodial killing. Meanwhile, the Union Home Ministry has sanctioned a sum of 100 crore rupees for Nirvaya Fund for setting up and strengthening of women help desk in police stations. This scheme would be implemented by the states and union territories. The help desk would focus on making the police stations more women-friendly and approachable, as they would be the first and single point of contact for any woman walking into a police station. Essentially, women police officers would be deployed at this help desk. The officials of Women Help Desk would be trained to be sensitive towards women. This help desk would have enlisted panel of experts like lawyers, psychologists and NGOs to facilitate legal aid, counseling, shelter, rehabilitation and training. Unknown miscreants today exploded a bomb at Vishal Mega Mart in Chingmerong under Lumphill Police Station, Imphal East. Impact News sources said that the explosion occurred at around 6 a.m. today. Upon being informed, police team led by Imphal West Additional SP Law and Order Amarjit Lamabam and Imphal West Commando OC P. Achoba, along with Manipur bomb disposal team, rushed to the site for inspection. Lumphill Police has registered a case against the incident. No one has claimed responsibility for the blast till now, and it may be recalled that a similar bomb explosion has occurred at the same place earlier. Meanwhile, staffs of Vishal Mega Mart, Chingmerong carried out protest demonstration condemning this morning's bomb blast that occurred at the stairs of Vishal Mega Mart. Impact News sources said that the mart received money demand letters from proscribed groups last month as well as last year, but the company did not cede into the demand despite pleas by the mart staffs to resolve the matter. The staffs urged the relevant authorities and the proscribed outfits concerned to resolve the issue and to provide safety and security to the employees and customers.
She Taudoche, Yamna Tauna, Yaningdena, Quena condemned Towning, Mamanga Suguma Taudoche, Nasiga Parga, Anirakana Togle, Sida Asok Pantolagadi, Kanana, Aqui the Mata Dital, Obi the Ribano. I couldn't carry the Mata, Nasigi, Asigum of Bomase, Pohai Ribano, Kari Yaningdaba, Kari Nuaitava, Quaki Stapsing, Amadi Processing the Kari Nuaitava Lege, Mayantin Bazagada, Bomlang to Ganbase, Masi Lepiro, Company Sida, Aqui Tabak Suzeraga, Tolopter, Hinjaraga Lejavani. I quite say Tabak Chura, Noibra, Natragana Sarkana Tabak Bibi Gabra, Natraga Bomlang. Tohala Gabra, I quite Aduma Tangtabim Kangbiro, I quite Waration as a Atuma Tam the Protraga de Quay Stapsing Manaraga Tabaksu Wilekani.
113 Battalion BSF under the aegis of Sector Headquarters BSF Manipur as part of its series of civic action program distributed construction materials such as cement, sand and tiles for the renovation of the common community hall of residents of Chingmerong, Maning Lekai and Nepali Basti near Manipur State Assembly Complex today. Commandant of 113 Battalion BSF Hidam Subol handed over the items to President of Community Hall Management Committee Lorembam Inaubi in the presence of other committee members. A team of narcotic cell Imphal police apprehended an individual in possession of 3 kg of opium yesterday afternoon. The miscreant is 41-year-old Hikub Singh son of late Kampao from Motvung Nazareth village, Saparmania in Kampopi district. Impact News sources said that the team, under the supervision of Imphal Police Additional SP Operations T.H. Krishnatombi, arrested him during a search operation at Sekmai Market in Imphal West yesterday. Upon interrogation, Hikub Singh revealed that he bought the contraband drug from one Mangboy of Puloi Kung in Kampopi district at the rate of 5,000 rupees per kg. The arrested person along with the seized drugs are handed over to Sekmai police station for necessary legal actions. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Home Guard Employees Association warning the state government of approaching center to meet their demands. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon News. President of Home Guard Employees Association Y. Mangi has warned of approaching the centre to meet their ongoing demands if the state government failed to do so. He stated that a team of Manipur Home Guards will leave for Delhi in the last week of December to urge the centre to fulfill their demands. Y. Mangi was speaking at the association's 56th Rising Day celebration under the held at Manipur Press Club today. He stated that the team will urge the relevant union ministers and other members of the Home Ministry to fulfill their demands and even carry out protest demonstrations in front of this office. Y. Mangi condemned the state government for ignoring their repeated pleas. He also mentioned that the association has been urging the government to organize their Rising Day in the state level, but the government has failed to pay any hit till date.
Manipur Sarkarna, Bharat Sarkarna, Pigro Haini Irakpagi Matungina, order the Topi Yarabadi, December Tasgi Mongda, Anoba he Laktringeda, Manipur Sarkarna, Ying Biraga, Amuka Johanna Hajari, order as a toga, Mayangi Awabase, Masi Kuhan Biro, Hibase, Masino Home Guard Association, Zigi, Aruiba. Manipur Sarkar Tokjaba appeal delay Tokdan Labagi Mota, Panto Pansin Sana, then Labagi Mota, Masi Sarkarna, Nungsiba. Amadingasi social equality haibagi rule of law sapa haiba punamak tu punjal constitution da yauriba constitution asigi sana pathap gi makada sason toriba leingang asina punam asi yengbiraga pangthok piro.
Ayush Care Clinic in Sagolban Nepra Menjor Lekai held its second Foundation Day today. One-day free medical camp was held and medications were distributed to mark the occasion. Taking part in the event, Chief Medical Officer of the clinic, Dr. Mary Nauroibam, said that the clinic has been providing affordable and no side-effect Ayurveda and naturopathy treatments for various illnesses. Dr. Mary Nauroibam announced 20% discount for 1 month starting today till January 6, 2020 for the treatment of sinusitis, migraine, anxiety, obesity, diabetes mellitus, gynae-related problems and others in the clinic. Ayush Additional Director Dr. S. Syamjai and Sagolban ex-MLA Dr. K.H. Loken attended the event.
Every patient ko some example am haizab da khwang na ba lak pa se operation to ra lak pa or every treatment to lak pa matam da khone treatment to kan obviously tappe ba painkiller ma'am charm ne akhoi gi di akan ba haiba do yaw da bani na ko root ta gi ana ba se lok thok pa ne ba akhoi gi di aduna tappe ba na kai gu matam da horok pa da gi ana ba se ko 10 to 15 days ki matam da na ba se horok pa matam da lak ki ba oi ba ta di 100 to 100% da cure ngam me ba and sigi misconception akoi treatment atopa system am sigi treatment je try to ala matung da khoi ayushe last option when thambi badagi misconception se chakhibani na haijani.
President Ramnath Kovind led the nation in paying tribute to Bharat Ratna Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar on his 64th Mahaparinirvan Divas today. He paid floral tributes at his statue at the Parliament House complex this morning. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla, former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, Social Justice and Empowerment Minister Tharachand Gehlot, Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi and members of Parliament paid floral tribute at Dr. Ambedkar's statue. Besides, hundreds of people from all walks of life also paid tributes to him. Centre is in the process of notifying Information Technology Intermediaries Guidelines Amendment Rules 2018, which will cover social media sites in the country, and it is likely to be notified by 15th January 2020. This was stated in a written reply in the Rajya Sabha today by the Electronics and Information Technology Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad. The minister says social media sites are intermediaries within the context of the Information Technology Act 2000. He said in last month, Secretary, Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology filed an affidavit before the Supreme Court. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. All accused of Hyderabad Disha rape and murder case killed in police encounter in Shatnagar near Hyderabad in the early hours today. And unknown miscreants explode low-intensity IED at Vishal Mega Mart in Chingmairong under Lampel police station this morning.